9th class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, you reduce the 25% of syllabus and then introduce professional courses, skill training. So when the student comes out of the school, high school, he comes with 2 certificates. One is that he is qualified 10 plus 2. Another certificate, he has got a skill certificate. Imagine. Okay? He is employable. Same thing for colleges. There also, he studies 4 years graduation. I am saying you reduce 1 year, make it 3-year course. 1 year give them expertise course, expertise. So you will come with a degree and a diploma of expertise. Okay?